I told you that the person holding you back the most is not your enemy, not society, not your circumstances, but the person you see in the mirror every day. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly believed in yourself? We live in a world where people are constantly searching for validation, someone approval, someone attentions, someone spot, someone belief. But very few people ask themselves, do I believe in me? Because the truth is, the moment you start believing in yourself, everything being to change. Self-belief does not mean you never fail. It means you refuse to let failure define you. Self-belief does not mean you have all the answers. It means you truly yourself enough to find them. Most people give up too easily. Not because they are incapable, but because they don't see immediately results. A seed spends weeks growing underground before anyone sees a single leaf. Yet nobody calls the seed a failure. So why do you call yourself one? Let's talk about self-love. Because self-love is often misunderstood. Self-love is not arrogance. It is not thinking you are better than others. It is simply knowing that your worth does not decrease because someone failed to see it. Stop apologizing for being yourself. Stop shrinking to fit into places you were never meant to belong. Stop abandoning yourself just to keep others comfortable. Because the strongest relationship you will ever have is the relationship with yourself. Your value does not come from people's opinions. It comes from your creator given potential. The world start believing in you the day you stop doubting yourself. You don't need everyone approval to become successful. Confidence is built up by keeping promising you make to yourself. Never let your fear decide your future. One day, I stopped asking the word, do you believe in me? That was the day my life changed totally at all. Not because the word become kinder, but because I become stronger. Years from now, you won't regret the changes you took. You will regret the dream you abandoned because of fear. So believe in yourself. Even when nobody else does, trust your journey. Even when you can't see the destination, because sometimes the greatest miracle is simply refusing to give up. And remember, the person you have been waiting for to save your life might be you. If you are choosing yourself from today, I believe in me. Like, comment, and save this video for the days. Save this video for the days when you forget then powerful you really are. Today you stop waiting for someone else to believe in you is the day your life is truly beings. Self-belief is not thinking you are better than others. It is knowing you are capable of becoming better than you were yesterday. Your future is built up by the confidence for having yourself when nobody. Your future is built up by the confidence you have in yourself when nobody is clapping for you. The strongest relationship you will ever have is the one you build with yourself. When you start trusting, when you start trusting your own journey, other people's opinion loses their power. Don't spend your life proving your worth to others. Spend it discovering your worth yourself. Self love is not selfish, it is the foundation from which every healthy relationship grows. Believe in yourself even on the days when results are invisible and progress feels slow. You are not behind in life. You are simply growing at a pace designed for your story. The moment you realize that your value, you stop begging for validation. One day I stopped chasing approval and start chasing purpose. I stop asking, do they believe in me? And start asking, do I believe in myself? That single change changed everything. Self belief is the quiet voice inside you that says, keep going, even when the word says give up. The word changes the moment you stop doubting yourself. And I say this line, the word changes the moment you stop doubting yourself and start becoming the person you were meant to be. I am enough. I am growing. I am learning. I am worthy and I will never abandon myself for anyone. Allah Hafiz.